I'm going to do a short little video on the SoClean machine for CPAPs. I know when I made the first video, I wasn't too keen on the SoClean machine because some of the stuff that I had read, people were still getting infections and what have you. But in light of this lovely pandemic that we are in, and with me being a phlebotomist and having to work around sick people, people that may not even know they're sick, I decided, I did some more research on it, and I'm going to give this an honest try. Hopefully it'll keep my CPAP machine cleaner than I can actually clean it, especially with the light of working in a lab around a bunch of people, like I said, that are sick all the time. So I bought this one. Now, this one I did not get from Philips, Responics. I got this through another company online. It's from a CPAP. It's from the SoClean company. But when I did get it, it was on sale. So, and I had watched a couple of YouTube videos to find out that you have to make sure you know your brand of your CPAP machine so they can send you the right adapter so it'll fit properly and work properly. So mine is pretty easy because mine is the Philips Dream Station and it has the heating element in it. So according to the directions, and BB's went over them 2 or 3 or even 4 times. But this is what's going to go into here, okay? Cameraman, if you'd be so kind as to zoom in so they can see my little prongs right there, okay? So with some machines, they have this lovely little thing where you just change it out, put this in, no problem. To where mine, because it has the heating element that I have to have, we have to get the one for my Dream Station. So that's the one I got. So instruction says you can put it in here. I got to get this little booger aimed the right way. All right. So basically this is going to give me almost 3 more inches to play with that night. On those nights that I'm tossing and turning and I just can't sleep, it's not because I can't breathe. All right, so this right here, it tells you it goes to the CPAP, so it's going to go onto here. This, well, let me get all of my crap up. Sorry, y'all, I'm trying here. All right, so this is going to go here. It's going to go onto here. We're going to place this in here. Now, with this, I also found out that this will clean whether or not I keep the water in it. Because my routine has been, I get up in the morning, I have my coffee. By 6:30, I'm in here cleaning my mask because 9 times out of 10, I've been a drooling bug and it's all icky in here, so it has to get cleaned every morning. I'm still probably should wipe, I'm still going to wipe this out, but the mask itself, the headgear, and another reason I looked into it, I don't know if the cameraman can get into there or not, but in here, there's little fins. And I know most of y'all know that I do smoke and I have allergies real bad. So I noticed that with this crazy thing leaking a lot, when it gets to where the face mask is on me good and tight, it'll still, I feel air coming out and I shouldn't feel air coming out. It's because this in here gets all caked up. It does. It turns black. Black, not a good color for this. So anyway, that was another reason that made me got thinking about it. Maybe it would keep these pieces longer than the every 2 months that I have to change it out. Because sometimes you get a brand new one, but it's a dud. So it's a here or there. All right, so this end we are now going to plug into here. See, it clicks in. Then it also has this little gadget right here, okay? And this goes on to either side of the machine because this does have a safety seal. So this way when you go to put it in, if this isn't in, it won't even turn on because it's got ozone. Too much of that can hurt a person too. So anyway, it came with the standard cartridge, your ozone cartridge to keep it clean. It also comes with this. Now I am still gonna have to clean by hose at least once a week to get the smell and everything out, because I do use diffusers in the house during the day, so that'll take the smell out of there. Hopefully, I'm hoping this is going to make me feel less or more conscious of myself and not be worried about, am I breathing in more bacteria? And then with having to wear the mask, oh my God, every day at work, you're breathing in your own bacteria, which isn't good, but we have to do it. And then with wearing this, it's with wearing the mask at work constantly and then putting this on, I get comfortable and then I start to cough. Well, if I'm coughing, all those little droplets are coming in here and probably going into there. And if I'm only rinsing it once a week or even every day, I got thinking, am I really killing all the bacteria? So that was another reason for me buying the SoClean. It has a thing where you set the time on it. Let BB turn it on. It is on. Good Lord, those things are small. My eyeballs ain't that great anymore. All right, so we can set the clock. All right, current set time. Well, that's not right. All right, let's do it manual. All right, now we're setting the time. It is 3:50 in the afternoon. Got it. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, I believe it's already in the format of the whole 12-hour thing. Okay, now set the disinfectant cycle length to start. All right, so what are we doing there? We're hitting this little button. Set the run time in minutes. Okay, well, it's saying about 10 minutes. Oh, that one's showing like 7. Okay. 10 a.m. Yeah, that's a good start time. All right, so we're gonna set that. All right. This way I can put it in here, and then by the time I'm gone, it'll start up all by itself. All right. So let's check this puppy out. All right, so with this, me just, ooh. How about we do this? Because you're making a lot of noise. Don't like all the noise. Well, you pick up everything except for what I want you to pick up. There we go. So all that is going to go down like so. We're going to put you on like so. All right. All right, let's see if it's going to close. All right, now I can hit the manual. All right. It's disinfecting. All right. And this takes approximately 2 hours for it to disinfect. The whole thing. The hose, even my water reservoir. So, I hope this is going to help me and make me feel like, or at least I'll feel like there's less germs in this that I'm breathing in every night, and help with the infection rate. So far, knock on wood, I haven't had any sinus issues, respiratory issues, or anything like that, even with me just cleaning it once a week. But again, because of everything that's going on, I just don't feel like I'm cleaning. I feel like I'm not able to clean it good enough to keep me from getting sick. And then if I get sick, Mr. Cameraman's gonna get sick. And we don't need that right now. So I hope this video helps. The cost of everything. This come with the kit. This was the adapter that come with it. I also bought an extra cartridge and this little thing right here. Because once this starts to get like water residue built up in it, then it's time to change it. And it says replace every 6 months. Same with the O2, cartridge for this. So, altogether it come to $350.02. And I will put down the company that I did get it from. So this way, if anybody out there is interested in getting one, that's also an alternative place to shop. I tried Amazon, but because I have the Dream Station, they didn't have this particular one. They had RestMed, they had other brands, but not my Dream Station. So, all right, everybody, you see the green light? It's done. So you pop that out. You bring your mask back around. And this is what I've heard on a few reviews on doing it this way, is to turn on your machine. Can you smell it? The ozone. Ooh. All right, now it's out, but you can, y'all, honestly, this smells like a brand new hose. Hot diggity, dog diggity. I get excited over the littlest things. All right, so until our next video,